In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure VAT settings in your organization using Zoho Books. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage your organization's VAT, ensuring compliance and streamlined operations. To start, navigate to the Zoho Books dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub where you can access various features of Zoho Books. Here, you'll find an overview of your financial health, recent transactions, and other vital insights into your business activities. Once you're on the dashboard, we're going to dive a little deeper to tweak the VAT settings. From the dashboard, your next move is to locate and click on the Settings option. The Settings section is crucial as it allows you to customize various facets of your accounting system. This is your main control panel where you can adjust parameters to fit your business needs, ranging from user permissions to financial settings. Once you've accessed the Settings menu, it's time to focus on the Taxes option. Taxes play a pivotal role in financial management, ensuring your compliance with governmental regulations and helping you manage finances effectively. Within this section, you have a wealth of options to adjust how taxes are handled within your accounts. Within the Taxes section, you have to look for and select Tax Settings. This is where the VAT magic really happens. Delving into the tax settings allows you to adjust specifics related to tax collection, payment, and reporting. It's essential to handle this section with care, as it directly impacts your organization's financial transactions and tax compliance. Now, here is where things get specific to VAT. In the tax settings, spot the Track VAT checkbox. The tracking of VAT is crucial for ensuring that all your business activities that are subject to VAT are effectively recorded and reported. By enabling this checkbox, you are setting your system to automatically account for and keep tabs on all VAT-related transactions. This can significantly aid in reducing manual errors and simplifying tax returns. Finally, no configuration would be complete without saving your changes. Click on the Save button to ensure all the adjustments you've just made are locked in. This is a vital step because any changes you've made won't take effect unless they're saved. Once saved, your Zoho Books is now configured to manage VAT more accurately, helping you maintain compliance and better manage your financial obligations. And there you have it. By carefully following these steps, you've successfully configured the VAT settings for your organization. This setup not only helps you keep accurate records, but also ensures you're ready for any tax season with the right data at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.